Love K-pop, delicious food, and ancient palaces? Let's experience South Korea's perfect blend of modern and traditional. Hello, everyone. Welcome to White Eagle. Today, we visit South Korea. It is a country of wonders. It has old history and new technology. It mixes past and future very well. First, I visit high-tech Seoul. Seoul is the capital city. It is a big, modern city. High-tech means new technology and fast things. Seoul has many tall buildings. You see big screens everywhere, on streets and in shops. They show news and ads. The subway system is amazing. It is very clean and fast. It is easy to use. You pay with a smart card. Korea is famous for technology. Seoul shows it clearly. People use smartphones for everything. Maps, payment, talking. You find new electronic gadgets in stores. You must not add, invent, omit, or change any words. Do not add any conversational filler. Your response must only the audio for the provided text. For this part, your delivery must be very soft, airy, and at a low volume, as if sharing a secret. You find new electronic gadgets in stores. Seoul feels like a city of the future. It is always changing. It has much energy. It is a dynamic city. I enjoy walking in Seoul. I see new things daily. This is modern Korea. It is fast and exciting. Next, I see ancient palaces and temples. After modern Seoul, I visit old places. Korea has a long history. The palaces are beautiful. I visit Gyeongbokgung Palace. It is a famous, big palace. The buildings have bright, traditional colors: red, green, blue. They are made of strong wood. Kings lived here many years ago. I walk in the palace gardens. They are peaceful. It is a quiet place, different from busy Seoul. I also visit temples. Temples are for prayer. Buddhism is an old religion in Korea. Many temples are in the mountains. They are calm and peaceful. The air is fresh. Inside, you see Buddha statues. People come to pray and think. These places show traditional Korea. It is a big contrast, modern Seoul and old palaces. I learn history here. They are important for Korean culture. The architecture is special and unique. I feel the history here. Then I try Korean BBQ and kimchi. Korean food is delicious. I love it. I try Korean BBQ. It is famous worldwide. You cook meat at your table. A grill is on your table. The meat is thin. It cooks fast. You can cook beef or pork. Many small dishes called banchan come with BBQ. There are fresh vegetables like lettuce. You take cooked meat. Put it in lettuce. Add some sauce. Eat it. It is very tasty. I also try kimchi. Kimchi is a famous Korean side dish. You must not add, invent, omit, or change any words. Do not add any conversational filler. Your response must be only the audio for the provided text. Kimchi is a famous Korean side dish. It is fermented cabbage. It is often spicy and red. Korean people eat kimchi every day. It is a big part of Korean food. Many say it is healthy. The taste is special, a little sour and spicy. I eat much kimchi. I like it. Korean BBQ is a great social experience. Eating together is important. It is fun. Everyone shares food. It is a delicious, memorable part of my trip. Next, I experience K-pop culture. Korea has famous music, K-pop. K-pop is popular worldwide. I experience K-pop in Seoul. You hear K-pop music everywhere. In shops, cafes, and on streets. The music is very catchy. It makes you want to dance. K-pop groups are famous, like BTS or Blackpink. There are many groups. Stars sing and dance well. They have amazing shows. Fans love K-pop stars. They buy albums and wear K-pop fashion. It's a special style. You can visit special K-pop stores. They sell posters, clothes, light sticks. Sometimes you see street performers. Young people dance in public. They practice K-pop. It is energetic and fun to watch. Gangnam is a famous area for K-pop. Many K-pop companies are there. You feel strong K-pop energy. K-pop is more than music. It is a lifestyle. I enjoy the K-pop vibe. It makes me happy. The energy is infectious and worldwide. This is exciting modern Korea. Finally, I wear traditional Hanbok clothing. Korea has beautiful traditional clothes called Hanbok. Hanbok is very colorful. I wear it during my visit. It is a special dress for men and women. Colors are bright: pink, blue, yellow, green. The fabric is light and comfortable. People wore hanbok many years ago. Today, people wear hanbok for special days like weddings. Many tourists also wear hanbok, especially at old palaces. It is fun to wear hanbok. You feel like a Korean king or queen. I put on a hanbok. It was a new experience. I walked around the palace. Many people take photos. Everyone looks happy. It connects you to the past, to Korean tradition. It respects the culture. The hanbok design is beautiful, simple, and elegant. It shows Korean tradition's beauty. This is a traditional experience, different from high-tech Seoul. It shows both sides of Korea, old traditions and modern life. I liked wearing hanbok. It was a special, lovely part of my trip. South Korea is amazing. It mixes old and new. From smart cities to palaces, from kimchi to K-pop, it offers something for everyone. It respects its past and moves fast into the future. I learned much about Korean culture. I had a great time. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. What aspect of Korean culture interests you most? Subscribe to White Eagle for more Asian cultural journeys.